Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC is a powerhouse desktop designed for gamers and creators who demand performance without compromise. At its core, it features the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, running at a base clock of 2.5 GHz and capable of boosting up to 4.7 GHz. This CPU delivers impressive multitasking capabilities and high-speed performance, ensuring smooth gameplay and efficient handling of even the most demanding productivity tasks. Paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068 GB GDDR5 graphics card, the Nebula provides stunning visuals, high frame rates, and support for the latest ray tracing technologies. Games come to life in vivid detail, from fast-paced shooters like Call of Duty, Valorant, and Counter-Strike 2, to expansive open-world adventures like Grand Theft Auto 5, Elden Ring, and Baldur's Gate 3, all running smoothly at ultra settings in full HD. The system comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6,000 MHz, offering ultra-fast memory speeds for gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. The RAM is equipped with a heat spreader, ensuring optimal thermal performance even during long gaming sessions. Storage is handled by a 1TB NVMe SSD, delivering lightning-fast load times, up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. This means not only rapid boot-ups and game loading, but also quick access to large files, apps, and multimedia content, giving you a seamless experience whether you're gaming, editing, or streaming. Cooling is a priority with the Skytech Nebula. The system uses a high-performance air cooler combined with ARGB fans and a front mesh design to maximize airflow, keeping temperatures low and performance consistent. The 650W Gold PSU ensures stable, efficient power delivery for all components, even under heavy loads, while the transparent side panel with RGB lighting adds a modern, visually appealing touch to your setup. Connectivity and expandability are excellent, with support for Wi-Fi 8.0, 2.11 AC, multiple USB 2.0, 3.0, and 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, and HD audio with a microphone. This makes it easy to connect your monitors, peripherals, and accessories while keeping a clean, organized gaming station. The system also comes with a free gaming keyboard and mouse, letting you get started right out of the box. The Skytech Nebula is not just built for gaming. It's also assembled in the USA and backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, plus free technical support. This guarantees reliability, quality, and peace of mind, making it an excellent choice for both beginner and veteran gamers. With the ability to run games like Apex Legends, Overwatch 2, Minecraft, Rocket League, and Monster Hunter at smooth 60+ FPS and Ultra settings in 1080p, this desktop ensures you never have to compromise on performance, visuals, or speed. In summary, the Skytech Gaming Nebula gaming PC is a complete package for modern gamers. With its powerful Intel i5-14400F CPU, RTX 5060 graphics, ultra-fast DDR5 memory, 1TB NVMe SSD, high-performance cooling, and sleek black mesh design, it is optimized for immersive gameplay, multitasking, and long-term reliability. Whether you're into competitive shooters, story-driven RPGs, or content creation, the Nebula offers a smooth, powerful, and visually stunning experience that will elevate your gaming and productivity to the next level.